Spring will be here before you know it. Make sure your rider is ready for that first cut with these tips. Before performing any maintenance, make sure you disconnect the spark plug. First, change your fuel and oil. Fuel can become stale in as little as 30 days, so you want to remove last season's fuel from your rider to prevent starting issues. Use a siphon to remove both the old oil and fuel. Next, you'll want to inspect your mower's parts for any wear or tear and replace them if they're worn or damaged. This includes your air filter, belts, mower blades, tires, and spark plug. Once you've inspected your rider, reinstall your battery and tighten the connections. Be careful not to touch both battery posts at the same time with your wrenches. Remove debris from around the engine, muffler, and cutting deck. Always wear gloves, and be careful not to use any tools that could scratch the paint and cause rust. For best performance, be sure to always choose MTD genuine parts. MTD genuine parts are specifically designed and manufactured to fit your MTD-made equipment. When you're done, add the new oil and fuel. If you're using gasoline with ethanol, make sure to use a fuel stabilizer to help keep it fresh for more than 30 days. Or you can use synthetic fuels without ethanol to avoid engine damage. Finally, reconnect the spark plug and you're good to go. By following these tips, you'll know your rider is ready for that first spring day.